Hello guys, welcome to the CCT's YouTube channel. Today we will learn about a Docker. What is Docker? Docker is a tool for a Python developer, okay, which are used to deploy their projects in a container. Here, let's see. Docker is a way to isolate an entire operating system via Linux container, which are types of visualization. Okay, with the help of visualization concept, okay, Docker help us to run our project on a Linux container. Okay, visualization has its root at the beginning of a computer science, where when a large expensive mainframe computer were the norm. Here, visualization has its roots at the beginning of computer science. Okay, then how could multi program use the same single machine? Okay, here there is one question arise that how could multiple programmer use the same single machine? This is done by the help of what? Visualization. Okay, here we use a Docker as our visualization. This technology is what makes it possible to quick add or remove server from a cloud provider. Here, okay, this technology helps it possible to quickly add or remove servers from a cloud provider. Okay, here we take an example of an Amazon Web Services, okay, that are typically not providing you with a dedicated pieces of hardware. Okay, instead you are sharing one physical server with other clients. Okay, that is the with the help of Docker. And here we see the container versus virtual environment. Basically, we can run main projects on our own computer. Okay, in a locally. For example, project A might use Python 3.4 and Django 1.11 among other dependency. Okay, one example we can take here. Project A is project A which might use Python 3.4 and Django 1.1 among other dependencies, whereas project B uses 3.7 and Django 2.2. By configuring a dedicated virtual environment for each project, we can manage these different software packages while not polluting our global environment. Okay, that is the main use of visualization or Docker. The important distinction between a virtual environment and Docker is that the virtual environments can only isolate Python packages. They cannot isolate non-Python software like PostgreSQL or MySQL database. Let's go to the browser. Okay, here this infocerteam.in. Okay, here the what are the importance of Docker? Okay, we'll learn what are the importance of Docker from this site. Okay, here let's know the definition of Docker from this site. Okay, Docker is the platform used for a developer. Okay, Docker is the platform used for a developer and sysops for deploying application inside a container. Okay, I have already told you that about a container. Okay, Docker is a container inside. We deploy our application inside our container, and this process is known as a containerization of applications. Okay, earlier here a little bit definition is more here. Okay, earlier when Docker was not there, it was a challenging situation for developer and sysops the run the code application in a higher environment, which was running in a lower environment due to the dependencies and library platform issues. Then then another here is a definition of Docker file. Okay, it's a file where everything is written, that what kind of application will that be, and what will be the library files and configuration. Okay, that is the Docker file. Here we have Docker images. Okay, is an standard template created for a Docker file used to create a Docker images. Docker container. Docker images is used for creating a Docker container. Benefit of Docker and why it is preferred over a traditional virtual machine. Why? What are the importance of Docker? Portable. Okay, once you build the Docker container, then it's portable to any environment. Okay, once we build one Docker container, okay, in your visualization, okay, on a Linux server, then we can run it in any environment like Windows, Mac. Okay, Lightweight. Docker contains containers don't have its own kernel. It uses host operating system kernel, and it share the same kernel with other kernels as well. Okay. Then stackable. One or more Docker containers can be present at the same time. Okay. Integration. It can be integrated with automated application pipelines like CI/CD. Okay. Isolation. Docker provides process-based isolation while VM provides full isolation of the resources. Start time visual machines takes a minute to start while Docker can start in a second. Okay, it has a faster start time. Kernel Docker use host kernel while virtual machine use its own separate kernel. Okay, limitation, it has some limitation. Okay, limitation of Docker is that it can use only on a 64-bit host operating system. Okay, that is the limitation of Docker.